Hello, friends, on the Constructor Stas channel. In today's video, I will show you the process of restoring an old triangular file handle, as well as one of the techniques for cleaning the file blade from rust. The handle was found in the garage, and it is no longer new. The surface of the handle is varnished. The ring has dents. I found the file in the garage too. It is new, but was stored in a damp room, and some of its parts are covered in rust. Well, welcome to my toolbox, friends. First of all, I remove the ring from the handle. It is held in place by notching in 3 places and is easy to remove. I put the ring on a bottle cap. The diameter fits perfectly. I clamp it in a vise and first file it. Then remove the scratches with 320 grit sandpaper. I clean the inner surface with an engraver. At the final stage, I polish everything with a liquid paste, cooked according to an old recipe. Then I move on to the handle. I clean the surface under the ring with a file and a needle file. I clean the main surface from varnish using sandpaper. I clamp the handle in a vise through the leather so as not to damage it. Then I move on to the file blade. I clamp it through the leather, but now so as not to damage the vise. I clean it manually. I use an aluminum scraper and clean each groove in the main notch from dirt, dust, and rust. After such cleaning, the file begins to shine in the sun. I clean the tang with sandpaper. Then I return to the handle decoration. First of all, I draw the rings with a pencil, defining the field for the main drawing. Then I draw a sketch of the plant ornament. I will make the ornament with a tool given to me as a child. My grandfather gave it to me. I used it little, apparently he bought it for himself, and gave it to me. Have you had such cases, or maybe you did exactly the same? Write about it in the comments. I turn on the wood burner and get started. Smoke rises from the heated nichrome thread, and the smell of burning wood spreads throughout the room. Childhood memories begin to emerge in my head, and when I wake up, I realize that the drawing is already ready. I drill 3 holes in the ring and glue it to the handle with glue. Next, I deepen the holes through the ring into the handle. I put in pins made of brass wire. Now the ring will never fall off. I assemble the file, adhering to safety precautions. It remains to protect the handle from dirt, dust, and scratches. Here I use deep penetration glaze for wood. I apply the first layer and let it dry well for a couple of days. After the first time, the surface becomes rough and the second generous layer will fix everything. After 2 days, I have such a shiny and smooth result. And of course, the first shavings. But that's a completely different story. Do not forget to leave reactions and comments under this video. Thank you for your attention. This was Constructor Stas. See you later on my channel.